Hi, welcome back. Today we are continue our 5 in a row game. First, let's make our end dialogue where we can either choose to exit our game or to rematch. So let's call this class end dialogue, and the superclass is going to be alert dialogue. If you want to spare time, you can just easily copy paste this because most of the things is going to be the same. Oh, yep. And not public protected is alright. So let's get to the strings. Make some strings like string name equals dialogue and title, which is going to be do you want a rematch? And another string, call it name dialogue, and let's call it exit. And now I want to exit, or let's call it quit, or no, let's call it exit. I don't know what difference. Never mind. String name equals dialogue and rematch. Yes, I want a rematch. Okay, our strings are done. Now change the title to dialog.end.title. Let's change the positive button text to end.exit. Now rematch. Let's make it a rematch. I don't know why, but just I like this. And let's go it exit. Um, yum, yum, yum. So here at the rematch, we want to start the next round. The other player who won. So how? We want here another variable which will be players winner, and if the winner is equals with players dot player 1, then we want, yeah, I have to make it final. Yep, we want to make this to start with a player 2. Otherwise we want start the game again with players dot player 1. Okay, then here's the thing, we want to exit, and that there is a very easy way to exit the application. This is going to be, I think, this. No, I have to make a method for this. Let's call it exit. So create method exit, but not here. I want outside here, and this is going to be do this dot get owner activity dot finish, and I think this should work, and this should finish. Oh my gosh, we have to make our title to be who was the winner. So let's go back to the strings and let's make two titles, like title 1, and this is going to be player 1 won the game. Let's call this. And this is going to be player 2 won the game. And at the end dialog, let's create a temporary string. TMP equals, oh, not equals, if the winner equals with players dot player 1, we want our temp string to be equal with context dot get resources dot get string or dot id dot dialog, no, not id, sorry, string dot dialog and title 1. Otherwise we want the same but with the title 2, and just reorganize this to temp. So we made our end dialog, it will show, it will exit, and everything should work properly. You can close start dialog game. We need a game engine, and here we are going to create a new end dialog. This context is context. We don't have a context. Yeah, we haven't stored it yet. So yeah, make a private context variable like private context, and here this dot context equals context. And now we can use context, and the winner is players dot player 1. Now let's just actually we can delete this whole thing and create a new dialog, no, new end dialog with game engine, context, and winner, and that's it. The other thing I want to do is I want to some indicator to show which player is currently so whose turn is it, and for that I will modify the main XML activity main.xml, and we will make these things happen. But first I want to show you that our end dialog works. Who wants to start? Let's player 1 start. Oh no, yeah, I forgot that if winner is equal, is not equals with players dot none. Players dot none. Sorry for that. Because as you know, winner only can be player 1 or player 2. There is no other choice in here. So let's run it. I don't know what this is. What error is this? Null pointer exception 5 in a row exit. I don't know. We will see what will happen. I haven't tested it yet, so maybe there is an error and we can only rematch. Yep. Yes, I want a rematch. And now the O starts. Yep. No, I want to exit. Oh, this is not working properly. Yep. 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 Because that's context dot get actually I didn't have a context. So context, but I should reach the context. Oh, let's make this way. This dot context equals context, and context dot get get application context. Actually, I don't know. I haven't done this yet, and I'm not. So currently, we can only why is it no pointer exception if we returns the activity that shows that owns this dialog? Uh, let's see. Yeah, that's not working. This is not working. If get activity not equals null, then try to get owner activity dot finish. Actually, this is not a very good way. If we can exit, then exit, otherwise start a new game. Let's make it. I don't know what's wrong with it. I didn't. I never used this kind of code, so sorry. But I want, as earlier told you, I want vertical layout. There's a game frame, and I want to large text underneath our game frame, and this is going to be No, this is not going to be linear layout. This is going to be relative layout. Yep. So the frame layout is going to be above the parameters, above the TicTacToe one. Oh my ID. I have to make everything. No. Oh, first of all, I have to save it. So this is going to have. This is going to be above the TicTacToe one. Circular dependencies. Where is the circular dependencies? Are frame layouts and point left and top. Okay, that's alright. Align parent left. Oh, this is the wrong line. We don't want to be below the frame layout. And game frame is going to be. Why is this? Yep. But and let's make no. Let's make align parent right, just to be sure. And this text is going to be no, first yeah, align parent left is all right. Let's add a large progress bar, which is going to be no, this is going to be above the progress. Oh, I have to save it first. This is going to be above the progress bar 1. Why does this not working? Not below. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Add plus id slash what is this? Progress bar 1 or not plus id r. I r plus id. Yep. And style progress bar star large and above. No, not this. This is going to be. I have to copy paste this. This is going to be above the progress bar 1. Yep. As you can see, I think it should work. And the progress bar is going to be align parent bottom. Yep, that's what I want. I want to copy paste this to the other side. And this is going to be 2 and 2 and this is going to be align parent right. This is going to be align parent right. This is going to be above the 2. Yep. As you can see, everything is working. I hope it looks normally because otherwise we will have problems. In the strings we have player 1 and player 2, so let's set our main activity text u1, set the text to dialog start player 1, and actually I will make a space there because this is kinda looks bad. Player 1, player 2, as you can see it's okay. We don't really need ID for the text use, so it just needed for be. So as you can see, those are spinning, but I just want to spin one at a time. So go into our game engine and how is it called? Progress bar. Public void set progress bar spin, and this is going to be if get current player equals players dot player 1, then we are going to get resources, no, context dot get resources dot get ID. Now this get layout r dot id dot how is it called, progress bar 1, and let's make it oh my god, I don't know. I think there is a stop and start function or something like that. Hmm, hmm. Um, then let's make a progress bar. Progress bar p. Let's import it. P equals, yeah, I have to cast it to a progress bar. And p dot, yeah, this is it. Is there a start or stop or something which lets me do anything? Gosh. Oh my god. Get with, get X, has code, increase progress, invalidate, is activated, is enabled. I think that it's set enabled for true, and p equals, sorry, progress bar 2 is going to be enabled, it's going to be false, and there is a else where we set the same but the other way. Yeah, and we have to call this. First, call it at the start game. So, how's it called? Set progress bar spin. Let's call this. And then every time we switch a player, we want to set progress bar spin. And this should work. Maybe it will crash the whole system, I don't know, but I hope it will work. I cannot remember how long I haven't used this function, this progress bar. Maybe it was 2 years ago. I don't know. Oh, I checked my microphone is plugged in, so. Oh, unfortunately it has stopped. So now what is your problem? Resource is not found exception. What is your problem? Resource ID type. Let's make a project clean. Let's hope it works. Clean just 5 in a row. Let's start now because it looks like a problem is like there because it's a layout. Return the resources instance for your application package, and I could reach this with the strings. Maybe I have called a wrong function. Let's see what we have here. Context dot get resources dot get text string array. It should be an integer, not drawable. XML resource parser dot get property string name. What? Get layout. It needs an ID. Sorry, I have to search for it. Get resources, Android, and layout. Oh, I think I got it. Context dot no, this. We need an int for ID, which is going to be int int I no ID equals r dot id dot progress bar 1 and get resources get resources dot get identifier hold my mind go what why is it not working get layout without activity Android. Oh yeah, this is going to be the possible way. So the Google says, I don't know, it's there are multiple um, how can I say? So we could do two different things. Let's make this. So progress bar activity context dot oh my gosh, there is too many costs dot I think this is going to disappear. View, I don't know, let's call it v equals uh, activity.context dot there it is dot when there is no okay, let's do the other way the internet suggests, which is view dot inflate context r dot id dot get progress bar 1 and root false. And why is this giving problem? The root layout, oh, I know, the root layout is, what is container? Why does this not working? This ID is an integer, as you can see. Inflate. I don't know, let's call this view group now. I don't know. Then cost the P equals progress bar B dot find view by ID R dot ID dot how's it called? Progress bar 1. And let's move up here. and instead of this I will copy paste this and then change everything. So this is 2, or this is 2, this is 1. Yep. And pray for your God, and let's see if it's working now. I don't know. View group. It simply crashed. Okay, next time I will show you how to do this properly. We finished, we have an end dialog. Next time I will definitely show you how to make this work normally, because I don't want to do that to pass the game engine the main activity, and because that way it's quite easy, but it's okay for now. Do it, but this is the worst thing you can do, so never do this. No, I won't do this because it's going to be no, this is the worst thing. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. What if I say activity A equals activity context? So cast the context, and let's remit A, 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 A. Yep. It's launching. So far so good. Console, what does this say? What does the fox say? And it's quite working now, but it's still spinning. Two of them are still spinning, so we have to work on that. So progress bar, stop spinning. Why does it always spinning? I have to call dismiss. P dot dismiss. No. P dot Set visibility transfer, set top, set secondary progress. Progress, new progress between 0. What is it? Set indeterminate. I'm not. I have to work with visibility. That is not. Yeah, let's work with visibility. Set visible. Set visibility. View dot visible. No. Invisible. We have to do this here, and we have to do here set visibility view dot visible. No, sorry, oops, and do it here and delete this, and this should work. At least we won't see a progress bar spinning, but I don't know if it can stop or not. I think it can just show or not show. Not show. Oh. I'm so funny right now. Sorry for this long video, but I wasn't prepared for this, struggling with this little progress bar. But we will start it working. Okay. Started. Oh, it will start itself. Yeah, as you can see, player 2 will start. No, as player 1. Yeah. Player 2 is the... Oh, first, on the first round, let's make everything invisible. And then, after we choose who starts, then we set the progress bar spinning. So P equals copy paste and same for this. I could do set visibility false u dot invisible dot set visibility u dot invisible, and I could delete this Ctrl Shift O. Oh, this is duplicated. That's giving error, and the two. Or what is your problem? No. No, what is your problem? Cannot. Okay, we have to do it the old-fashioned way. I don't know why I... Invisible, progress bar 1, invisible. And then set progress bar spinning, and it shall work now properly, and I think we should stop for now. Next time, maybe we will do animations, but I'm not quite sure it's going to happen or not. The next game I want to do is actually the very popular game nowadays. It's called 2048 or something like that. Why don't set progress? Oh, because we haven't set players dot none players dot none, and if we start the game, then it will work. Last run. I promise. I promise it's the last one. I run this 5 in a row game. Uh, Till then, I have to promote myself. Like, please subscribe. I will make more videos, and I promise I will be more organized, and I will make more. Um, why does it? Why does this not switching? It's switching now. It's not. It's switch. Not switch. Not switch. Yeah. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, for next time I will. Oh, because before the start game we haven't had a current player. Yeah, and here, no, we have to do this after the start dialog has set invisible, but I set everything invisible. Okay, for now I don't know what's the problem, because oh, and I know what's the problem, because I should use as if get current player equals players dot player 2. That was the problem, because it checks if it's player 1, otherwise it can be player none or player 2. And now we will just see nothing is spinning. How long this video is? How can I check this? I cannot check this. Okay, now everything will work. I promise. I promise. So till then, please subscribe, like my videos if you like it, and I will, as soon as I start making my website, I will upload the source codes for each application like the previous. Um, as you can see, there is no spinning bar here or there, and because uh, yeah, I have to do another thing. Set invisible if we start the game, but after the start dialog starts the game and sets the player, and now we have to set progress bar spinning, call it. Okay, I always make mistakes. Sorry for that, but after, so you have to learn from your mistakes, and how can I say? So, till then, please subscribe. I will be more organized. I promise. I will uh, make a little bit more interesting games and stuff. And next time we will work with animations, with which can be uh, very interesting. And as you can see, it works now. Yes, I want a rematch because player 1 won. That way It's working properly. I couldn't imagine I can do this. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like my videos. If you haven't understand something, then please leave a comment. I will definitely answer it and do my best. And if you want to share my videos, please share it on Facebook or everything, everywhere you want. And next time, I hope we will start. No, next time we will make animations. Then next we will start making the game called 2048. So see you next time. Bye.